now in the marketplace buying your nuts, and I'll buy you each of a kind here, there, and that's Riza. Riza, say hi. There you go. Mom, this is the different dates that you can see here in the Middle East. But I will buy you this, itong special na date na to. This is from Saudi Arabia. Ito yung original dates talaga, ma'am. And I'm buying you the soft type na dates. For this, ma'am, by the way, ma'am, ang binili ko is yan, half kilos. But this date, ma'am, bibiling ko para sa'yo is 1 kilo for this. Okay, ma'am? Hello, kids. Yan. I'm buying you chocolates, different chocolates. This is what they call, kids, the Arabian chocolates. They have